Hi everyone, welcome to today's video, where we will go clothes shopping. Today we are going to learn the key phrase, how do you like? Okay, let's begin. Today's key phrase is, how do you like? You can put anything in here. For example, how do you like school? How do you like playing sports? How do you like vacation? You can talk about many things using this phrase. So, today we will focus on shopping. How do you like? This phrase is used for asking someone for their opinion or their reaction to something. For example, how do you like Paris? How do you like these shoes? How do you like it living in London? Okay, let's do today's activity together. Here's the instruction for the activity. Let's go shopping. We will go shopping together. Follow the instructions on each page. When asked a question, try to think of what your answer would be. Okay. Also, take notes. In today's shopping trip, we will be using UK money. This symbol is called a pound. £1 is around 1,500 won. This symbol is called a penny. The plural of penny is pence. Look at this example. You can see the pound sign 1.33p. This is how we write the total price, including both pounds and pennies or pence. It is said like £1, 33 pence. Okay, let's help the girl finish her outfit. Repeat after me. How do you like these shoes? I love them. They are comfortable.
That's awesome.
Let's answer the lady's question. First, repeat after me. How do you like this outfit? Now, try to think of how you can answer. My answer would be, I love it. The designs are cool and interesting. What answer did you give? Okay, let's keep shopping. I like this outfit. How much is it? Using British money, UK money, can you say the total price? That's right. It's £55, 94 pence.
That's awesome.
The girl has changed her outfit. Let's answer the lady's question. Repeat after me. How do you like buying more things? Sure, I like to change outfits. How do you like that pink hat? Everyone? I think it matches my new blouse.
That's awesome.
Let's answer the lady's question. Repeat after me. How do you like the style? Okay, think of your answer. What can you say? Here's my answer. The style is very good. What did you say? Okay. I like this outfit. How much is it? Can you say the total price? That's right. It's £50, 35 pence. Okay. Let's help the boy finish his outfit. Repeat after me. How do you like that t-shirt? I think it's awesome.
That's awesome.
Okay, what can the boy answer? Everyone, repeat after me. How do you like this t-shirt? You can say, I think it suits me well. What answer did you give? What else can he buy? Okay, repeat after me. How do you like that jacket? I like that jacket a lot.
That's
Let's
awesome.
answer the lady's question. Repeat after me. How do you like the fit? This time the boy says, It's nice. I feel comfortable wearing it. Okay, let's help the boy finish his outfit. Repeat after me. How do you like the cap? I think it will match my outfit.
That's awesome.
Let's answer the lady's question. But first, repeat after me. How do you like the color? Okay, let's answer. I love it. Red is my favorite color. Okay, let's say aloud the total price of the shopping. I like this outfit. How much is it? That's right. The total, it's £117, 80 pence. Okay, well done everybody. The second part of today's lesson is a worksheet. You can find this uploaded along with this video. Let's take a look at today's worksheet. Today's worksheet is a writing activity. Follow the instructions for Part A and Part B. Writing Clinic. How do you like reading? Some love reading. Others hate it. Some hate running. Others can't stand it. What or who do you really like or love? And what is it you really don't like or even hate? Make a list below. Write 4 things you love and 4 things you hate. This is Part A. In Part B, I want you to write about today's topic. How do you like reading? Here is my example. I love reading, especially fiction. I usually read 1 book every week. I don't know what I would do without books. Okay, surfing the internet and traveling are cool too. But when I really want to relax, I just pick up a good book and sit outside in a park. I think reading about mysteries or magic in different places, from countries to other galaxies, is really interesting. You can experience a new world. Below, I want you to write 3 to 5 sentences. You can choose I love reading or I hate reading. And complete Part B of this worksheet. Okay, good luck.